Well, hello there. What's going on, YouTube? As you guys just saw, our new tail lights have just been dropped off. Came in pretty quick. I ordered them about 3-4 days ago. So they're Spyder tail lights. I just want to do an unboxing video for you guys to show you guys what they look like. You know, I will be color matching these to the truck, so stay tuned for that. That'll be another video. They packaged them pretty good. This is that expandable foam stuff they put in the box or whatever, vacuum seal it, whatever it is. But here we go, guys. Here's the first one. That is beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see that properly. But yeah, that is beautiful. Like I said, I will be color matching these. Probably the entire light's blue, and this the LED portion probably be tan just to match the truck. But I won't show you guys any of that until, you know, it's time to put them on. I'll make a video of me doing the painting, and that'll be a separate video, like I said. But they look pretty sweet. Just connect, plug and play like that. And I believe my truck already has the LED reverse lights. If not, I'll probably order a set of those, put those on there as well. But so far so good. They're looking pretty good. I'm happy with it. I picked these up for, I want to say $110 off of eBay, which is pretty good. You can see all the LEDs are housed in here, protected. It's pretty nice. But yeah, these things are gonna look 10 times better once they're color matched and painted. And I can't wait to make that video. I think that's gonna be a pretty good and fun video for both me and you guys. So stay tuned for that. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. I just want to show you guys the new tail lights before they go under construction. And stay tuned. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned with this build. A lot more coming.